What's up guys, VtecBowers here, and today I'm going to be reviewing my 2015 TLX with the Takeda intake. Now if you've been following along for the past couple months, you'll know I already did a video on this, sort of. Well, today I aim to go a little bit more in depth with actually what's going on here and actually, like daily drivability, how it is, all that pretty much. So for starters, I'd say this is not a fast car whatsoever. In fact, this has the economy engine K24W7 Earth Dreams, the exact same engine that's in the 9th gen Honda Accord. Like I said, that's an economy engine, not for power. So don't expect this car to be fast at all, okay, please. However, with the addition of this intake, this car does make very, very beautiful sounds. And we'll get right to that. So in the middle of me recording this video, I realized there's just not too much to review when it comes to like just an intake. I also have the AC blasting because it's like 99 degrees out here. But basically, daily drivability, this really doesn't change that much with the sound. As long as you're not full throttle, it sounds literally like the stock airbox, which I think is really nice. I will include a bunch of VTEC pulls that I just recorded though. So there's gonna be no talking, go ahead and just sit back, relax, and enjoy.